Not all of the weeks are actually going to be good when you're day trading Forex, but you gotta know exactly what to do when you have a bad week. So I decided to make this video now that I actually literally just had a bad week in Forex trading and show you how I manage it and how you can manage it as well. Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna talk about Forex, so let's dive right into it. All right, so I want to start by showing you my week results so that you understand what I consider to be bad weeks. And you're going to realize that I have so many losses this specific week. I actually lost a total of $613, but I actually have lost more than that because I was in profit already with my trading week at the beginning. Like on Monday, I was like about $1,000 above, and now I'm at $600 in negative, which basically means that I lost more than $1,600. Now, this is completely normal if you're a Forex trader, but you can see my results. I have one for $1,000 right here, and then I lost all of the profits, and plus I lost some of the money as well. Now, again, this is completely normal, so you have to understand. But I do want to tell you a few tips that are going to help you become a better trader even when you have bad weeks. The tip number one that I want to give you is find your mistake, okay? It doesn't matter what mistake was the one that you actually made when you were trading with Forex. You need to understand your mistakes. So in order to do that, you're going to actually go back a little bit and understand what is it that you did wrong. For instance, myself, my mistake, I didn't use one strategy for this specific week. I used 3 strategies for this week. Now, is it normal? Sometimes you just gotta play your dice, all right? And I'm actually trading with a funded account, and I was actually trying to get to the target in 1 week. So my first mistake was actually to trade with more than one strategy. And my second mistake was actually trying to make profits too fast, okay? It doesn't mean that the strategy doesn't work. It just means that unfortunately, I actually didn't follow the strategy the way it is. Now, before I actually continue with it, I just want to give you a warm invitation. In case you didn't know, we do have a Forex signals group where you can actually avoid all the analysis, or at least 90% of the analysis, and someone who's more experienced than you can actually send you signals so that you can place your positions in Forex. So the website is this one right here, blwsignalsgroup.com, and I'm going to put the link to it in the description of this video. And we trade Monday to Friday, 24 hours a day. We're providing with Forex signals so that you can enter and make money without you risking your own analysis. So the invitation is right there, blwsignalsgroup.com. So here's the deal, and don't pay attention to this because I wasn't trading Bitcoin. So here's the deal. The strategy that I was actually using is actually a strategy that I use as a reversal for trendings. So what I do is that I actually follow the instructions of the moving averages. So we got 2 moving averages that are super important: the 200 a simple moving average and the 20 moving average, which are these lines right here. So when you actually go and take a look at the 15-minute charts, you're gonna realize that it moves differently from the actual 1-hour chart. So I was actually looking for that change in trending. At the exact same time, I was actually looking, and I don't have a pen right here, I think. All right, I'm gonna use this. So one thing that I was actually doing is it was also following this right here, that is the RSI and stochastic strategy. Now, this is for small retractions and fast retractions. So I enter a couple of call positions when I saw that the RSI was actually right here. So I thought the price was going to jump. It didn't jump. And then I did it again right here. The price was going to jump. It didn't jump. So I lost 2 positions in there. And I'm just showing you one pair, but you pretty much understand the deal. Now, what is the actual real strategy that I should have followed? This one right here, which is a downtrend, because I realized that there was a change in trending based on the moving averages. The other strategy that I could have used would have been right here, which is a change on trending based on moving averages. But I didn't. I followed 2 different strategies at once, and that was one of my mistakes. So the first thing that you actually have to understand in regards to this is choose one strategy and go ahead and back test your strategy. This is a trending strategy based on not retractions, but in breakouts on different resistance and support levels. So basically what you do with this strategy is that you identify, okay, this is a downtrend. So if it's a downtrend, there are gonna be new low highs and new high lows. So I see that this support was actually broken. So when the price touches here again, the price will drop again. Now it didn't. So it identified brand new low. Now this new low is actually been identified, and this would have been a perfect entry point for myself. I couldn't enter, I didn't enter, which is okay. But the fact that you're actually like understanding the entries of the strategy, just one, is good. So back testing the strategy, you can see that it broke all the lowest levels. So when is my new entry position after back testing it? It will be this one right here. There you go. Even lower than that is going to give me a 3.4 risk reward ratio if the price touches again the new high low level in this area. So you got to back test your strategy. It's not just this one, but I was actually doing the exact same thing on different pairs in order to be ready for this specific week. So I'm not going to use the moving average strategy anymore because it wasn't working that well, to be honest. Now seems like it's going to break right now. The downtrend is going to become an uptrend, but I'm just going to be focusing on this. So if the price goes back down one more time right here, this is going to be a short position. I'm sorry, a long position right here. And I'm going to go look like 3.0 risk reward, somewhere around right there. Does that make sense? So you got to back test your strategy before the week starts. I'm recording this on Sunday, by the way. Probably you're going to see this in you're actually going to see it on Sunday night, my time. But you got to understand, you got to back test your strategy to see if it's going to be respecting the brand new levels within the following week. I did the exact same thing right here on Euro and GBP USD. So I'm actually getting ready. Now, second thing that the third thing that you got to do is actually make your trading plan. Okay, I've seen a lot of people just going into trading and not understanding exactly what they're going to do during the week. So you got to create your own trading plan. What I mean by this is basically just go ahead and choose whether you want to place 3, 4, or 5 positions, and that's it. Okay, make your trading plan. What's going to be your target? For instance, myself, I'm going to be trading with USD JPY, with Euro USD, with GBP USD, and maybe, because I haven't really done the analysis on the other pairs, maybe I'm going to do some other entries. For instance, GBP, JPY is looking good. So maybe I'll be doing these pairs as well. 4 pairs. If by any chance the prices or I don't get any good entry point, I'm not going to enter trades, even if I'm going to 0 this week. Why? Because that's my plan. So I got 2 options right here, for instance, in my strategy. Number 1 is that it touches again and I enter a short position and I make that trade, or it breaks this level. So if it breaks this level, for instance, this is going to be a stop order. If it breaks this level, I'm actually going to go long, because it basically means that it's going to get to the higher level one more time. It's going to get to the new high low in this area. There you go. So it's actually going to give me a new entry opportunity, maybe for a change in trending. We're not sure if it's going to change entirely, but it's going to give us a new ranging area. So that's my plan. Okay, I already created my trading plan, and you have to create your own trading plan for the week. And that takes us to the last step, which is plan your trades of the week. Sometimes you don't even have to be on your computer. Okay, you can actually set, for instance, I'm gonna go with Euro USD right here, and I'm gonna actually set a pending order. So what I do is that I create a limit order. When the price, obviously right now it's taking it as it is. When the price gets to that level, I want to be ready. I want to end the trade. Now, you don't have to do this. If you want to be monitoring your computer, monitoring your trade, you can go ahead and do so. But myself, for instance, I'm just going to have some pending orders for the week. I'm not going to place them on this specific broker because I'm going to be using this MT4 broker, but you can actually set the pending order so that at the time, obviously you're going to change, for instance, this. We're going to go with less risk than that. We're going to go with 5% of risk. There you go. So that's going to be my entry price. Okay, that's how much I'm going to be risking in this multi-trading account. Obviously, it's going to be different when I actually go into my MT4 broker, but you guys get the point. Super simple to use and super powerful, so that you don't actually have to be on your computer, and you're going to be a lot more confident that either you place the trade or not. But if you don't place it, you don't lose any money. The rule number 1 is never lose money, and rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. So hopefully that makes sense. Hey, so hopefully these tips actually help you to start your trading week and recover from a bad week like the one that I had, and gives you the positive energy that you need in order to avoid bad emotions when day trading. But hey, if you enjoyed the content of this video, make sure you smash the like button, support this YouTube channel, and more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always use the comment section below and my team will be happy to reply to you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.